Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, it's Ash. With New Year's Eve around the corner, I've created this really fun glittery smoky eye that would be perfect for any party. I'm actually going to a festival this year, so I feel like no festival is complete without a little bit of sparkle. So if you want to see how to create this look, keep on watching. I've already done my base and brows off camera. I used the Urban Decay All Nighter range and then the Hourglass Arch Brow Pencil. To begin the look, I will be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer, just so I don't get that awkward crease halfway through the night. I'll be doing a black smoky eye using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. First up, I'll be using some of these warm tones just to help balance out the black first. Going in with Weekender and pop that right in the crease. I like using a light brown shade to start off with, just because you don't want to go straight in with your dark shades. You want to kind of go lighter to darker, just so it all blends out really nicely. After Weekender, I'll be taking Riff, which is just a little bit more of a dark brown, and just take that kind of more on the outer corner of the eye and then into the crease as well. Now that I've done all the warm tones in the crease, I'm going to be taking the dark brown and putting that all over the lid. And just pack that right onto the lashes, and then I kind of just blend upwards. Just grab that blending brush and then just work it into those other warm tones. I'm going to mirror the colors on the top now onto the bottom lash line. And then just keep blending as much as possible until it all looks really seamless. Just gonna do the exact same now on the other eye. Up next, I'm gonna be adding some winged eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Stila Waterproof Micro Tip. This is one of their new ones. With eyeliner, I like to start off right on the end of my eye and flick it up to my brow, and then I'll just join it up back to my top lash line. Because it's New Year's Eve, we need to add some glitter, so I'm going to be using the Stila Black Glitter in Molten Midnight. Instead of going straight on with it, I feel like I have a little bit more control when I put a bunch on the back of my hand and grab a dense flat shader brush, and then I can just put it exactly where I want it. So you can see how it instantly changes the whole look and makes it really nice and dramatic. To make this look a little bit bolder, I'll be taking the Stila Smudge Stick in my waterline. I'm just mainly going to be focusing on the outer corner. I don't like to take it all the way in. To bring the whole eye look together, we need some mascara. I'll be using the NARS Climax Mascara. I love this mascara. You just need a couple of layers and it adds so much volume and so much length. So before I go into complexion, I'm just going to use a clean brush just to wipe away any kind of fallout we had or any excess glitter that might be on the cheeks. And then we'll go into bronzer, blush and highlighter. Taking the Mecca Cosmetica Summer Sunset Trio Holiday Palette, I'll be doing everything for the cheeks, so bronzer, blush and highlighter. First going in with the bronzer and taking that right on top of the cheekbones. Then for blush. And lastly, highlighter, taking the famous Mecca Enlighten powder. Nice and glowy. The look's almost done. We just need to add a lipstick. I'm going to be using the NARS Audacious in Barbara. These lipsticks are super creamy and really long lasting, but they won't dry out your lips throughout the night. To make sure this makeup takes you all the way into the new year, we need to set it down with some all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. And then we're done. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this gives you some inspiration for your own New Year's Eve look. Let me know what you do in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great new year, guys.